Good morning. This is Joe Pellicane. I'm an associate broker at Nest Seekers International, and today is December 1st, 2020, a year like none other. I wanted to give you my 2-minute take on real estate, where we are and where we may be going for the upcoming year. Most markets in the United States are actually booming. There's a housing shortage in a lot of markets, and locally, many markets are doing quite well. Towns in Fairfield, Connecticut, Westport, Greenwich, almost anywhere in southern Fairfield County is doing very well. Suburban markets in Long Island and New Jersey are also doing quite well. In the Hamptons area, if you're lucky enough to have owned property, they're having an all-out boom. Properties that people could not unload for years that were sitting on the market are selling and have sold at huge premiums. The one outlier in all these markets locally is Manhattan, which is my primary market. I would call the Manhattan market right now approaching stabilization. We're seeing activity at about 70% of a year ago. That's based upon contracts signed this month in 2020 versus the corresponding month in 2019. There are more sellers than buyers, and prices have come down. The median price of a Manhattan property in 2015, the median asking price was $1.7 million, and currently it's about $1,280,000. So that's roughly a 30% decline from the peak. What people have to realize, though, is there was a tremendous amount of appreciation in the early part of the decade. From 2011 to 2015, the median price of Manhattan properties doubled. So it doubled from 11 to 15, and now we've gone down roughly 30% from 2015 to today. The area that's selling, I would say, called the hottest market in Manhattan, would be for high demand properties, good school districts, corner apartments in great condition in prime neighborhoods, Upper East Side, Greenwich Village, Upper West Side, etc. When you get above $2 million, there's fewer buyers and better deals to be had. The best deals to be had are in two areas: new development and estate sales. Many investors or buyers don't want to deal with an estate property and spending the time to do the work and dealing with contractors. So that's where you're going to get the best bang for the buck. A big pre-war apartment that was lived in by somebody for 50 years that needs a gut renovation, that's where you're going to get a deal. The townhouse market, you're going to be able to get deals on townhouses in many areas of Manhattan. Although you do see some properties that have been selling at what seem to be big premiums, by and large, that's a market that's very soft right now and is ripe for a buyer or an investor looking for a good deal. And last but not least, new development sites. Manhattan, the waterfront areas of Long Island City and Brooklyn are swimming in inventory. Developers are going to make deals on those properties they need to get out. We're also very involved in marketing full sites, and/or we're seeing banks with notes that they're looking to sell at discounts. So there's a lot of areas that are attractive in the marketplace for the savvy investor. In any case, my job is to talk to you about real estate. I welcome any phone calls or queries about anything real estate related. My main market is New York City, primarily Manhattan, and the waterfront along Long Island City and Brooklyn, which would be Greenpoint, Williamsburg, down to, Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, we'll call it. So in any case, that's Joe's 2-minute take. I went a little bit over today, but I hope you found it helpful. And I hope everyone has a very happy and healthy holiday season. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.